A strong whirlwind swept dozens of houses in Lubuk Alung in Padang Pariaman district, West Sumatra. The whirlwind lasted some 15 minutes and left 6 of the houses severely damaged. The strong whirlwind took place during heavy rainfall in the Pasilawe Nagari, or village in the Lubuk Alung sub-district of Padang Pariaman district. Residents spoke of hearing the sound of the wind for some 15 minutes, followed by the sound of falling trees and flying roofs. The Padang Pariaman chapter of the National Natural Disaster Mitigation Agencies has erected 2 tents to provide temporary shelters for residents whose houses were severely damaged. Villagers have opted to stay with their relatives and the tents have remained vacant. The agent and residents are continuously cleaning the houses hit by the whirlwind. In addition to the 6 heavily damaged houses, dozens of others were lightly damaged.